Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this super pretty yellow inspired summery look. I got the look idea from Lizeth Ramirez. I love her channel, I love her videos, and she recently created a yellow smoky eye look, and that inspired me to do this yellow half cut crease look. So yes, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, by the way, and thank you for 50 subscribers. That's dope. It doesn't seem like a lot, but to me that's like 50 whole people, so thank you so much. What is this? So I don't know why I look like a ghost, but I do. But it's fine because we'll fix it all in the end of the video when we like bronze and everything. My eyebrows look fucking gross in every video. Oh my god. By the way, I'm filming in my mom's room today because yesterday I attempted to film in the kitchen and girl, sis, it was a flop. It was a fat flop. But we're just going to prime the eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Medium Honey. I need a new one of these, and I don't have like the money to buy a new one of these, so it's just like really stressful for me. I didn't bring a single palette with the mirror. Yes, I did. So let me move my bag. Just kidding, just kidding. But we're gonna go in with literally every colorful palette I have that has yellow shades. So the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This one is so dirty already, and I've used it like twice. Like that just goes to show how gross I am. Like ew. But this palette is literally the prettiest thing ever, and I'm so glad that I bought it. But it has like a yellow shade down here, and we're gonna go in with that one. And then this bad boy right here, Jaclyn Hill palette, has this shade that I want to get into. That's my favorite shade in this palette, to be honest. It's the best shade in the palette, let's be real. We don't set our eyelids anymore, sister. Who sets their eyelids? No one. Not I. Oh my god, I forgot to wet my sponge. What is my problem? I do my makeup literally all the time, and I cannot once in my life remember to freaking wet my sponge before I sit down. Like, what is my actual problem? What is wrong with me? The key to this look is to literally get every yellow shade in every palette you own and to use it. That's literally it. I love this brush, by the way. This is the BH Cosmetics. This is like a vegan brush. The V5. Vegan 5. I don't know. But this is the brush we're going to be using today. It's dirty because I'm a hypocrite, and I told you guys in my everyday makeup routine that you need to start with clean brushes. But I haven't washed my brushes in like 2 weeks. That's a lie. I washed my brushes like a week ago, but you know, if you keep on using them, they get dirty really fast. I'm literally just going to mix all 3 of these yellow shades. I don't know what the difference between this one and this one is, but there must be some difference if there's 2 of them. So yellow looks absolutely amazing on melanin, so I'm just saying, if you got some color to your skin, girl, work anything and everything yellow, girl. Literally. If you guys are wondering, I only do this eye on camera because this eye always turns out looking like shiznits for absolutely no reason at all. I don't know why, it just does. So I only do this eye on camera. There might come a day when I do both eyes on camera, but you can really see the difference between how good I am at doing makeup on this eye and how bad I am at doing makeup on this eye. And it just really, like, it actually triggers me because it's like, what the hell? Like, ooh, I'm getting a bunch of fallout. You can't see it in the camera though, it's fine. Why do my eyes look completely different? She looks like freaking Da Vinci and this bitch looks like Dollar Tree. I need new music. I keep on listening to the same old stuff. I'm honestly disgusting. I need to wash my brushes. This is green all over it. I'm gonna end up ruining my look. I'm gonna go back into all of these shades with this brush, which is literally another BH Cosmetics brush. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, I need new music to listen to. Like, no one's coming out with new music, I swear. Like, J. Cole came out with his album, Drake came out with his album, but I'm not like huge stans of J. Cole or Drake. Like, I love Drake's music. I liked it better back in like 2013, 2012. No. Oh my god, yeah, 2012. When he came out with like the motto and everything. That used to be my song when I was in like literally elementary school or like 6th grade. Literally taking every single yellow shade I own and just slapping it on my eyelid. I think I don't have any like other choice but to add a shade other than yellow. Dude, I've been recently really depressed, honestly, because it's summer vacation, right? It's still May, meaning we're really early into summer, like really early into summer, and I feel so annoyed with everyone. Like, I love everyone, like I love. Why did I just get hit up? That is so weird. I was literally about to talk about how none of my friends are like really talking to me right now. A few of them are, but not like all of them. And one of the people that hasn't really been talking to me just freaking snapped me. Weird. So weird, right? That is so weird. I'm gonna get this shade up in there, and I'm gonna take literally the smallest bit of that coral shade. It's honestly really bothering me, the difference between my foundation and my neck. I'm gonna bronze the hell out of my face. Dude, that's so disgusting. I look like I have like a severe illness now that I have like all this yellow under my... You guys can't see it, lucky y'all, but I can see it loud and clear, bro. I done messed this palette up. She used to be so pretty, now she's like... She little busted. She in the ICU or whatever. I need new music to listen to, so if you have any good recommendations, I listen to literally everything, so... Yeah, but if you have any specific really good recommendations, just let me know. I think because I need depth, I'm going to go into this shade and mix it with the yellow shade. And after that, I'm going to half cut my crease, which I haven't done a half cut crease in a long minute. So I really hope I don't mess this up. I feel like that did nothing but add, just like made it like really ugly. Okay, what I'm gonna do is cut the crease and I will be right back. If you didn't like That's So Raven, I didn't like you. Like, who didn't like That's So Raven? Like, who are you if you don't like That's So Raven? Okay, what we're gonna do is we're going to pack on the pale pastel yellow shade onto the lid. Sis, we're gonna do something iconic. We're gonna do glitter now. I'm gonna go in with the bulk glitters, or no. I don't really know where I got this. I got it when I got a bunch of other glitters, so I think that's bulk glitters. This is either gonna make or break the look, so wish me luck. Oh my god, I just dropped half of this glitter on me.
I don't give a DOT, my enemy won't catch commissary, made it to commas.
I'm on your head, ayy. I don't do it for the gram, I do it for Compton. I'm willing to... Wasn't as cool as I thought it was gonna look, but that's fine. Next, because I think we just need to, I'm gonna go in with this light shade and this yellow, and I'm gonna blend that right there, because I forgot to do that earlier. And then I'm going to go in with some yellow liquid liner off camera. You know what sounds good right now? The Weeknd. Listening to The Weeknd sounds like so good right now. Call out my name. I don't know if I should film this part. Y'all are starting to see that fallout though, huh? Yup. Disgusting. Okay, so I'm looking at this and I'm thinking this and this needs like more color. So I'm gonna go back into the ColourPop palette and get the smallest bit of that corally shade. Mix it with yellow so we're like ensuring that it's yellowish. And blending that right here for a little bit of depth. And then the yellow liner, I'm gonna clean up with concealer, get to the other eye, put on my eyelashes, and I'll be back. I feel like because the brightness is so high, you can't really see what the look actually looks like, but this is what it looks like more so in real life. I apply fake lashes all the time, and I can never like apply them well. Like, they always look different. This is what the look looks like so far. Little yellow thing. We're gonna work on the rest of the face. Hopefully I can get my face to actually match my neck. Okay, I'm gonna use the Maybelline concealer along with my Tarte Shape Tape because I love this combination. I wet my sponge, by the way, so step, I'm gonna set my under eyes and this my forehead and my chin with the Airspun loose powder, and then the rest of my face I'm gonna set with my Fit Me loose powder because this is more my skin tone and I want to make sure that I'm evening everything out. Cause girl, I don't know what I did. I need a new foundation again. This is the Too Faced foundation that I bought too. It's literally usually my perfect match. I don't know if it's acting up today, but we'll see what we can do. I think I look really cute. If I was darker skinned, this would look so pretty. If you're dark skinned, try out this look and tag me on my Instagram because I feel like you'd be so freaking popping with this look. Next, I'm going to take the bronzer by Wet n Wild. This is the Caramel Toffee Duo. This is pretty good. It's kind of harder to blend, but it's a good affordable option if you don't mind the fact that you have to really sit there and blend for a little bit. Next step is to add blush. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia blush kit, and I'm going to take this beautiful corally shade right here. It reminds me of Coralista. I want California or California, but I just dipped into the wrong one, but don't have the money for it. The setting spray I like to use is the Mario Badescu Rose Water. Don't have your mouth open while you spray this. This is the second time I've done that. And then I'm going to take my highlighting brush. This is by the brand Royal and Langnickel, and I'm going to take one of the more yellowy toned what am I even freaking talking about? One of the more yellow toned highlighters, which would be like one of these two. So I think I'm going to just mix them. What did I do? I made my highlight like purple on accident. Next, I'm going to work on my lower lash line. I think I'm just going to go in with this shade in the Morphe palette. This is the shade Creamsicle, and then I'm going to go into the Cute AF palette by ColourPop, and I'm going to take this corally shade. And now, because I can, I'm going to go in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk and a little bit of this Great Lash Mascara by Maybelline, and I'm going to put this on my waterline, and I'm going to coat my bottom lashes because I think that's going to give it more of a like vibrant look. For the final step for the eyes, I'm going to go back into the Cute AF palette. This is called the Yes Please palette. I need to stop calling it the Cute AF palette. And I'm going to go into this really, really gorgeous golden shade right here, and I'm going to highlight my inner corners. And then the last step is lips. Today I'm going to be using the lip liner by Rimmel London in the shade Mauve Shimmer, and then this Sephora Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Ultra Shine Lip Gel, which, girl. Once that is finished, you have the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave it a like down below, subscribe to my channel, and comment video suggestions because I need them. Anyways, I will see you all in the next one. Bye.